we go again. Rolex, Rolex, Rolex. Look at that right there. GMT mask. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross back in the building with another video, and we have a special unboxing right now. You know what I mean? Coming straight from Joma Shop. All right, this is definitely one of my affordable Grail pieces, so we are gonna get into it and we're gonna check it out right quick. All right, so. Never pay retail. Joma Shop certificate of authenticity. Get out the box quick. Put that over there. There it is, y'all. Certina in the building. Swiss watches made since 1888. So let's go ahead and check out the packaging right quick. You know, on the wrist right now is my James McCabe, but let's do this right quick. So let's open him up. Yeah, like that. Like that. Of course, warranty conditions and shit like that. All right, let's open up the box. There it is, y'all. There it is. There it is. It's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out. There you go. Certina. This is the DS Podium automatic. I mean, so let's start getting some of this plastic and stuff off of it right quick. And there we go. The packaging is off of this piece. Isn't that beautiful? Silver dial, automatic, got the see-through case back. Links on the inside is polished with the brush links on the outside. Yeah. Let's go ahead and set this bad boy. 9:30. There you go. Yeah, that sounds good. Well, here it is, y'all. The unboxing of the Certina DS Podium. And here is the reference number for this piece. Right here. C001.407.11.037.00. This is an incredible, to me, an underrated piece. Look how beautiful that is. A review on this bad boy is coming soon. You know what I mean? Let's get some dimensions on this. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, let's get some dimensions on this piece right quick. All right. Let's see where we at. Let's see, clocking in at about 38 millimeters case size. Including the crown. Including the crown, it looks like we're talking about 42. Get the lug. About 46.6. Thickness. About 11 millimeters thick. And see, the bracelet tapers down to about 17. So yeah, perfect little watch. And again, that silver dial, it definitely gives me Rolex Explorer vibes. And there it is on the wrist, y'all. Look at that right there. Yeah. Class is stamped with Certina. Get a little close up, look at that. How dope that is. Certina, 1888. So, we're gonna get into it, y'all. Review coming on this bad boy soon. This your boy P. Rouse, and I'm out. Peace.